learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back, everyone. It's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And let's put you in this situation again where you're asking someone if you have time or if you're available, and then your answer could be yes, no, and why, okay? 好，我们这个月呢都来教大家怎么去说有空吗，然后怎么去回答这样子。好，所以先有空吗？
有閒冇？
有閒冇 Okay, that means you have time. You or 冇，对不对？
对，
有就是有，没就是没嘛，哈。
对。
好，今天我们来教一个可能在家中爸爸妈妈跟孩子们可能会有的一个互动。好了，How about a scenario where it's about maybe a kid, you know, a son or a daughter asking dad for help？ 所以可能要问爸，你有空吗？
阿爸，有閒冇？
Oh, that's how you say 爸爸。阿爸 that's father. 有閒冇 that means do you have time？
有愛做乜嘅？
有愛做乜嘅？小朋友可能就是說教我功課，對不對？ I can't do my homework. I don't know how to solve this equation. Can you help me with my homework?
教我下功課。
教我下功課 OK， 教我就是教的意思了嘛，对不对？教我寫功課。
下功課。
下功課。
那
功課就是功課 homework。
对
OK，
海陆腔写功課，下功課。
下功課。好，那功課寫完了就可以玩嘛，哈。So maybe the kid wants his dad to play basketball with him， 陪我打籃球。
偏愛打籃球。
偏愛打籃球。偏愛就是陪我的意思。OK， 打那當然就是打嘛，哈。To play a certain sports. In this case， 籃球。That's
籃球
basketball， 也有可能棒球，也有可能網球，都可以啦，哈。And finally, you know, 現在很多人喜歡騎腳踏車啊。對。然後像我小時候也是爸爸教我怎麼騎腳踏車的啊，從3輪變2輪。So let's say the kid wants to go biking， 去騎腳踏車。
來去騎腳踏車。
來去騎 that means let's go to ride 腳踏車。
腳踏車
就是腳踏車。All right, let's review all these phrases. 爸，你有空嗎？ Dad, do you have time?
阿爸，有閒冇？
阿爸，有閒冇？ And yes, what do you want?
有愛做乜嘅？
有愛做乜嘅 Please teach me my homework.
教我下功課。
教我下功課 or 打籃球 Play basketball.
打籃球。
打籃球 or go ride a bike 騎腳踏車。
騎腳踏車。
騎腳踏車 And now in this situation, you know how to answer these questions. That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.